Have you ever wondered about the meaning and importance of alphabetical order? Let's explore this topic. Alphabetical order is a fundamental tool for organizing information. Studies have shown that it can improve recall and reduce errors. For example, imagine a library without alphabetical order. It would be nearly impossible to find the book you're looking for. In fact, the University of Wisconsin-Madison found that alphabetical order can be a useful tool for organizing information. This is because it provides a consistent and predictable system. So, the next time you're organizing your files or making a list, consider using alphabetical order. It can save you time and reduce errors.